Today I'm going to be changing the headlights of a 2010 Ford Focus SE. These are headlights I purchased from Amazon. Here I am removing the old broken headlight and the sockets that are on the wiring harnesses because I did not realize that the new headlights came with sockets and bulbs, actually. I did opt to replace the main headlight with a new bulb. I bought the Sylvania Silver Star because I knew that the old ones had the basic in it, and those are very dim and very yellow. The Silver Star are supposed to at least be brighter, whiter light. These headlights are held on with 3 bolts, one down in the front under the grill, and here is me removing the grill because I realized there was no getting around to that bolt without doing so. But luckily it's just held on with 4 retainer clips, which I did break a couple of, but that's not a big deal because I have more to replace them with. I am using dielectric grease inside the connections, and I wound up using a little too much and had to remove some with a Q-tip. Literally all of these bolts were 10 millimeters, so it was just a lot of loosening and tightening to get it positioned, especially on this side, because unlike on the other side, which you'll see in a second, the old headlight did not have a metal retaining clip that snapped into something on the bumper. This entire project took about 40 minutes. It would have taken 30 if I hadn't struggled with getting some of the wiring harnesses off of the socket. And also messing with this metal clip right here took a minute. I'm doing this video at about 14 times the normal speed. And now I'm changing out the other headlight to that Sylvania Silver Star. I'm doing this recording in all one go, so we're just gonna keep that mess up. Again, using dielectric grease in all of the connections. And on this side, when I get to putting the headlight actually in, you're gonna see that U-shaped plastic piece snap into the little hole that is on the fender. The other side's fender is slightly crushed in, and that's why you didn't see it over there. And just position of these headlights. And then ultimately I will just be putting the grill back on.